Hello guys, how you doing? This is Alexandros from the Island of Cyprus once more. Welcome to Salsa and Bachata Moves channel. And here today we're going to be doing an intermediate to advanced salsa footwork. There are two mini choreographies, a few eights each. If you like to see the music, click here on the info card or find the link in the description. It's the first one. Let's get started. First we start off with the basic. 1, 2, 3. I apologize for the traffic. It's daytime and it has better light. Anyway. Then we cross on 1, 2, 3, 4, step to the side 5, bring together 6, 7, 8. So we use the 8 as well. Then we step diagonally 1, 2, 3, turn to the back, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you keep your upper body still not turned all the way here, 7 here. Now the hands will open, then they will close, then they will come behind the neck, not in front because that's going to throw you down, behind the neck, and open out so they can stop you. This will help you do one turn. By closing, you will do a second. Practice slow and practice the hands first, okay? Then, we want to finish it off by doing a body weight. The hands will be up. We can just turn them down, lift up the right leg, then the left, and go back into your basic. And that's the first one out of 2. Rewind it, watch it a little bit. It's not really difficult, and have fun with the steps. Make sure you keep the feet together. Number 2, this one is a little bit funky in the beginning and at the end. We move to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The hand can do a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, a little bit of a snap. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, prep, 7, 8. Now this is not too hard, just follow me along with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that one more time. We go out with the heel, up, down, slide. Then into basic, kick on 4, lift on 5 up here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You pause, then you swivel the foot in on the right back foot and you go on the left heel. 1, 2, 3. That's both feet in on the ball of the foot and out. So first out, then in. Then you're going to lean forward, twist the left foot in on the ball of the foot and touch the toe this time instead of the heel. Touch the toe. Practice each one individually and then you'll be able to put them together as an idea of forward, in, and back. So you need to transfer the weight. Now make it more intense. Lean back when you do the front and make sure you're all the way forward when you're doing the forward, the back. Now on the last one we do up and repeat. Okay, that's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You jump and you lift so you can make it into the basic. Now there I just did a hook turn with the music so I finished with the timing. But there's one little last trick that you want to do and it's this one on the last step. If you can up your shoulders, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Like this is a nice jump. Whew. I'm out of breath guys because I switched off the fan, the air condition, everything so you don't have background noise. If you'd like to help and support the channel, you can check on the Patreon. We already have 3 Patreons helping us, supporting the channel on a monthly basis. And when we get enough cash flow, we'll buy better cameras, better lights, and a wireless microphone so I can switch on the fans and you won't listen to none of that or background noise, just my voice when I talk. I hope you like the lesson. Make sure you comment, rate, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.